Good day. Today I'm going to discuss what is CSS text properties, specifically the color, the font, the size, and then the alignment. What are our agenda for today? First, we have introduction. Next is the color, the font, the size. Next is the alignment, more properties, and then the conclusion. By understanding and effectively using CSS text properties, you can create visually appealing and engaging web pages. So this presentation will explore the key CSS text properties, including color, font size, and alignment, providing you with the knowledge and skills to enhance your web design projects. To introduce myself, I am Giancarlo, your reporter for today, and let's start. For the introduction, this slide provides a foundational understanding of CSS and highlights the significance of text styles in web design. So what is CSS? Cascading Style Sheet or CSS is a powerful tool that web developers use to enhance the visual appeal of websites. It's like a designer's toolkit for web pages, allowing them to control everything from font styles and colors to layout and spacing. Think of CSS as the makeup of your website. It's what transforms a plain text document into a attractive and engaging online experience. CSS works by applying rules to HTML elements. These rules specify how the elements should be displayed on the screen. For example, you could use CSS to make headings bold, change the color of links, or create a two-column layout. By creating separating the content or the HTML from the presentation, which is the CSS, developers can create more flexible and maintainable websites. One of the key features of CSS is its cascading nature. This means that multiple styles can be applied to the same element, and the most specific style will take precedence. This allows for complex and customizable design. Next is the importance of text styles. Text styles play a crucial role in creating effective and engaging web content. Well-formatted text not only improves readability but also enhances the overall user experience. By using clear and consistent text styles, you can guide your audience through your content, making it easier to understand and navigate. Consider the impact of headings and subheadings. They break up large blocks of text, making it more visually appealing and helping readers quickly identify the main points. Consistent use of font weights and sizes can also differentiate between different levels of importance, creating a clear hierarchy of information. Furthermore, text styles can contribute to a website's branding and overall aesthetic. By choosing fonts and colors that align with your brand identity, you can create cohesive and memorable experience for your visitors. So now let's talk about the color. To modify the color of text elements on a web page, you can use the color property in CSS. This property accepts various color formats, allowing you to specify the desired hue, saturation, and lightness. So these are the color formats. First is the named colors. These are the predefined color names that represent specific color values. For example, include examples include red, blue, green, yellow, and purple. Hexadecimal color codes. We have hexadecimal color codes consist of 6 characters, a combination of numbers and letters that represents the red, green, and blue components of a color. For example, the hashtag FF0000 represents red and hashtag #00FF00 represents green, and #0000FF represents blue. RGB or red, green, blue is a format that specifies the color using three values, ranging from 0 to 255, representing the red, green, and blue components. For example, RGB 255 0 and then 0 represents red, HSL, hue, saturation, and lightness. This format specifies the color using three values: the hue, which represents the color on the color wheel; saturation represents the intensity of the color; and then the lightness represents the brightness of the color. For example, HSL 0, 100%, 50% represents red. By understanding these color formats and applying the color property effectively, you can create visually appealing and engaging web content with a wide range of text colors. Next is the font. The font property in CSS provides a convenient way to control multiple aspects of text appearance simultaneously. It combines several individual font properties into a single declaration, offering a streamlined approach to styling text elements. Components of the font property are font style. So font style controls the font style such as normal, italic, or oblique. Font variable specifies variations of the font such as small caps or normal. Font weight sets the font weight ranging from 100, which is a thin weight, to 900, which is bold. Font size determines the font size, as discussed in the previous section. Line height sets the line height, which is the spacing between lines of text. And then font family specifies the font family to be used for the text. By effectively using the font property, you can create a wide range of font styles to match your design requirements, whether you need to emphasize text, create a formal appearance, or simply improve readability. The font property provides the flexibility to customize text appearance in a concise and efficient manner. Next is the size. Okay, so font size property in CSS is essential for controlling the size of text element on a web page. By specifying a desired font size, you can make text larger or smaller to improve readability and visual appeal. Units of measurements are so CSS offers various units of measurement to define font size. First is the pixels or px, the most common unit specifying an exact pixel value. Relative units, these units relate the font size to other elements or the browser's default font size. We have EM, which is relative to the font size of the parent element. REM or REM, that is relative to the root element's font size, providing a more consistent baseline across the entire page. And then the percent sign, that is relative to the font size of the parent element, expressed as a percentage. By carefully selecting the appropriate unit of measurement and font size value, you can ensure that your text is legible and visually appealing on different devices and screen sizes. The font size property is a fundamental tool for creating well-designed and accessible web content. Next is the alignment. The text align property in CSS is a fundamental tool for controlling the horizontal alignment of text within an element. By specifying the desired alignment value, you can position text to the left, right, center, or justify within its container. We have these alignment values. First is left, that aligns the text to the left side of the container. This is the default alignment. Right is to align the text to the right side of the container. Center is to center the text within the container, and justify is to justify the text, distributing it evenly between the left and the right margins. By effectively using the text align property, you can create more visually appealing and unbalanced layouts for your web content. Whether you want to align text to the left for standard reading flow, center it for emphasis, or justify it for a more formal appearance, the text align property provides the flexibility to achieve your desired alignment. So let's talk about the additional properties. Beyond the fundamental text properties discussed earlier, CSS offers a range of additional options for fine-tuning the appearance of text on web pages. These properties allow you to add decorative elements, modify text case, and control paragraph indentation, providing greater flexibility in your designs. Decorative elements. We have text decoration. This property allows you to add decorations to text such as underlining, overlining, or line through. For example, you can use text decoration underline to underline a piece of text. Text shadow is a property that creates a shadow effect around text, adding depth and visual interest. By adjusting the offset, blur radius, and color, you can customize the appearance of the shadow. Text case. Text transform. This property allows you to modify the case of text. You can convert text to uppercase, lowercase, or capital each word or capitalize each word using the uppercase, lowercase, and capitalized values respectively. Paragraph indentation, we have text indent. This property specifies the indentation of the first line of a paragraph. By setting a positive value, you can indent the first line to the right. A negative value can be used to create a hanging indent, where the first line is indented to the left. By effectively utilizing these additional CSS properties, you can create a more visually appealing and structured text on your web pages. Experiment with different combinations of properties to achieve the desired effects and enhance the overall readability and aesthetics of your content. And for the conclusion, cascading style sheets or CSS is a powerful tool that allows web developers to control the appearance of the web pages. One of its essential applications is in styling text elements. By understanding and effectively using CSS text properties, you can create a visually appealing and engaging websites. This presentation has explored various CSS text properties that can be used to customize the appearance of text and on web pages. These properties include font properties, which are the properties that allows you to specify the font family, font size, font weight, font style, and line height. The color properties, which are the properties that enables you to set the color of text, including background color and text color. Text decoration properties, these are properties that can be used to add decorations to text, such as underlining, overlining, and line through. Text align properties, that those are the properties that controls the alignment of text within a container, such as left, right, center, or justify. The text transformation properties. These properties allows you to modify the case of text, such as converting it to uppercase, lowercase, or capitalizing each word. So by combining these properties, you can create a wide range of text styles to suit your design needs. For example, you can use bold headings, italicized emphasis, and colorful links to enhance the readability and visual appeal of your web content. To practice using CSS text properties, consider creating a simple web page and experimenting with different styles. You can also explore online tutorials and resources to learn more advanced techniques. By mastering CSS text properties, you can elevate your web design skills and create visually tuning stunning, and engaging websites. Remember, the key to effective text styling lies in understanding the available properties and applying them creatively to achieve your desired results. Same goes color and the alignment. That's all for the report. Thank you.